guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing another card idea of mine. This time it's about using this kind of design paper sheet. Now this is a cut apart sheet consisting of sort of ATC cards of 3x4 and 4x6 inches. It's a beautiful collection, by the way. I think it is by, and I'm going to butcher this name, it is by Piatek Trzynastego. It's Polish. This is made in Poland. And the collection is called When We First Met, and it's sheet number 5, double-sided. So for once in my entire channel's history, I am using a very recent collection. Mostly I use my ancient collections that I have put away in my stash for years, because usually when I buy a new collection I find it so beautiful I don't want to cut into it, and I'm going to stare at it for a while, mostly years, and then I'm going to make something with it. This time I thought, okay, I'm going to buy this and I'm going to make something with it. So When We First Met. And so the idea is what to do with these cut apart sheets, and I'm going to combine it with a beautiful lavender colored piece of cardstock, and it's purely meant as an inspirational video, so it's sort of a tutorial but mostly just inspiration. So I'm going to fast forward what I'm going to do, and I promise you it will be easy. So I love these fast and easy ideas because I don't know if you are anything like me, but usually I am quite late when it comes to sending my cards out in time. I don't always have inspiration, and sometimes I am so busy with work and life that I think I have cards and then I don't. So I have to make one at the last minute. So that is a reason, but also, and mostly even for me, it's about showcasing the paper. I am a paper lover, so I really love to showcase these kind of patterns and colors without covering them up with all kinds of embellishments. I do like to embellish, but well, not too much. So I also like keeping it simple, clean, stylish, and gain myself some time in the process. So enjoy the video, and I hope you feel inspired. you enjoyed this short video tutorial, this short scrap with me video. So this is the finished card. You saw me use all of the cut, well not all, but several of the cut aparts from the cut apart sheet. You saw me attach a metal swivel tab closure. I was thinking about how to call that. You saw me decorate it in a very simple but elegant way. And you saw me make the flap, how that worked and how simple that actually was. And there is a very small space to write something. That is by intent. I am aiming for a very short and sweet message to my friend. And sometimes you don't need a lot of words to express your heart. So that is the intention of this card. But if you want more room to write, you could also use a larger journaling spot here, or one with no pattern here, so you have more space to write, and then you could close the flap over your text. So that is also an option. But I chose to do it like this, so this will be a short and sweet message to her. And if you have one piece left over, like I have here, you can make a very simple card, like this. Just keep it simple. Don't do anything to it if you don't have any more papers left. This is simply the rest of the cardstock that I used for the other card, and then I used the leftover piece. It says beautiful day, and all I did to it was ink around the edges, added some flowers and some enamel dots, and that's it. And look, you can still make a great card out of that. So I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know by pressing the like if you like this video. Also, you can leave any questions that you want to ask me or any tips that you want to give me. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!